If you don't like surprises but still drive a car, then you need to know this. Hail damage might sound like a minor inconvenience, but trust me, it's no joke. Those icy little missiles can leave a lasting mark on your beloved ride. First up, check for dents and dings. They're like freckles, but not the cute kind. Scan your hood, roof, and trunk for those pesky round indentations. Next, keep an eye out for cracked or chipped paint. Hail can be aggressive, and your car's paint job could take a hit. Don't forget your glass. Windshields, windows, and mirrors are prime targets. Look for any cracks or chips. They might be small, but they can lead to big problems. Also, inspect the trim. Those plastic pieces and side mirrors aren't immune to hail's wrath. Pro tip, check your car from different angles and in various lighting. Sometimes dents play hide and seek, especially in direct sunlight or under bright lights. So, the next time Mother Nature throws ice balls at your car, you'll know exactly what to look for and how to assess the damage. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep your ride looking sharp.